How to Memorize Music is the guide that will get you playing from memory fastest, without resorting to shortcuts and tricks that make your playing less musical. In this guide, you will learn a step-by-step, easy-to-follow process that will help you memorize your piece, tips on more secure and more musical playing, ways to make memorization easier before you start memorizing, how your brain really works when you memorize, the #1 source of most difficulty for people new to memorizing music, how to plan your practice time and memorize efficiently, different ways to test your memory, ways to improve your memorization of a piece you already know, how to practice without actually practicing your instrument, how to make sure your memory is solid before your performance day. This guide breaks the memorization process down into 4 phases: learning the piece before you memorize, starting to memorize, micro-memorization, and macro-memorization. Moving through these phases one by one, ensuring that you build a solid foundation before continuing, is the best way to memorize a piece of music. You will be able to memorize in a way that lets you play naturally and expressively, because you are confident in your knowledge of the notes. It also explains a little bit of the psychology behind your memorization work, showing you how the process really works so that you will be able to adjust your practice according to your own abilities and goals. Click Buy Now to get it now.